ELI5 Before the alarm clock was invented, how were people able to wake up at a set time for work? They woke up naturally because they had nothing to do at night, like endlessly scrolling through Reddit. So they went to bed earlier. There's a good podcast which describes this. https://9%invisible.org/episode/matters-of-time/2/. I don't know if it's been answered, but another method I've heard of was drinking a lot of water the night before. The need to pee would wake you up early. A lot of people were farmers. Roosters will always let you know when to wake up, whether you like it or not. Rooster. Circadian rhythm. The body has an internal clock. I wake up every morning at 5:30 with or without an alarm clock. I would bet they went to bed not too long after sunset and woke up at sunrise. They didn't have phones or iPads to lay in bed with and surf Reddit to screw up their sleep patterns. Many ways. They'd pay people to tap on windows. They'd drink a lot before bed, so their bladders would wake them. They'd hear birds, animals, people moving around. Window knockers were used in other places. I'm not sure how widespread the practice was. https://www.bbc.com/news/UK-england-358409393. I saw an alarm invented by ancient Greeks at a museum in Athens. It used water flowing through a whistle. I'm up 10 minutes before my alarm most days anyway. It's more of an emergency backup in case I sleep in. I read there used to be people, at least in England, who you would pay to throw little pebbles at your windows to wake you up. We used to have a rooster who lived behind us, and they really did start crowing the second they saw the sun. Woke me up every day. They would drink water so that they wake up early to have to go to the bathroom. Roosters. Simple. No alarm clock equals no time clock. The sheer terror of living past 25 and all the ways you could die probably kept people on their toes. There are plenty of images of a candle on a tin plate with a nail in it. If you know about how fast a candle will burn, put the nail in with how many hours you want to sleep. Bork, bork, bork. I remember reading there would be someone who'd get paid to knock on people's windows with a long stick. Internal alarm clocks. Trust me, I can be asleep at 3 a.m. and be up for 6 a.m. in the morning. Because the body is a natural alarm clock. Or you got yourself a rooster. People didn't usually stay up much later than dusk, so they had plenty of sleep. But sunshine and ambient noise will rouse you easily enough if you're well rested. And no sense in burning daylight. Roosters. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more content.